हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एस क्लासेस। आज हम आपको +1 में आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं। इसमें हमारा +1 में चैप्टर 8 सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज गोइंग ऑन ये चल रहा है। इस चैप्टर 8 पर सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज में हमारा ये एक्सरसाइज 8.1 एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चन 7 to 10 वी हैव टू डू, बट हियर ये दिस लेक्चर होगा इस पर 2, लेक्चर नंबर 2। 1 लेक्चर हो गया, उसमें इंट्रोडक्शन वगैरह हो गए एंड एक्सरसाइज 8.1 क्वेश्चन 1 to 6। ओके, टुडे लेक्चर 2 है ऑन दिस चैप्टर 8। तो इन दैट फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी बुक बेटा वी आर डूइंग द ऑल क्वेश्चंस कंटिन्यूअसली। तो एक्सरसाइज 8.1 में क्वेश्चन 7 to 10 है आज। तो क्वेश्चन 7 व्हाट इज दैट? क्वेश्चन 7 इज an is equal to 4n minus 3, find a17 and a24। तो देन हेयर n की वैल्यू 1 पुट करेंगे तो a1 हो जाएगा, n की वैल्यू 2 पुट करें a2। वी नो वी हैव डन क्वेश्चन 1 to 6, बट हेयर 17 a17 फाइंड करना है। सो n इज इक्वल टू 17 है, तो n इज इक्वल टू 17। तो then a17 is equal to 4 into n, n means 17 and minus 3। तो 17 4 जा 68 and then minus 3, 68 minus 3 65। this is your a17। now similarly a24, so now put n is equal to 24 in this, then n24 putting a24 will be equal to 4 into n is 24 and minus 3, then 24 into 4 96 minus 3, 96 minus 3 93। so this is your a24। so then both we have find here। now next question, similarly question number 8, what is this? This an is equal to given n square upon 2 power n, find a7। so simple, a7 means n is 7 here, so in the given relation yani n term given, put n is equal to 7, then a7 will come। so then a7 is equal to 7 power 2 upon 2 power n, n means 7। so 7 square 49 upon 2 power 7 is 128, then this is your answer 49 upon 128, a7। now similarly next question, question 9। question 9 is nth term given an is equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 into n power 3, find a9। तो means a9 we have to find, means n is equal to 9। तो solution में n is equal to 9 we have to put here in the given nth term। so n is equal to 9, then a9 is equal to minus 1 power n minus 1, n is 9, then 9 minus 1 into n power 3, n is 9 and power 3, 9 power 3। then 9 power 3 means solving this, minus 1 power 9 minus 1 8 and minus 1 power 8, minus 1 into minus 1 8 times, even times, so it will be positive 1। okay, positive 1 into 9 power 3, 81 into 9, then 729। this is your 9th term done, question 9। then 10th question, what is this? nth term is given n into n minus 2 upon n plus 3 in 10th question। okay, so find here 20th term a20। तो a20 का मीनिंग n is equal to 20, putting in this n is equal to 20, then a20 is equal to 20 into 20 minus 2 upon 20 plus 3, then solving a20 is equal to 20 into 20 minus 2 18 upon 23, then 18 into 20 360 divided by 23। this is your 20th term। okay, so like this we can do easily putting the n value, what is yes beta। next question, question number 11। in this question number 11, what is this? here a1 given 3 and an is equal to 3 into an minus 1 plus 2, like this nth term, and for every n greater than n greater than 1, we have to do this, यानी n not equal to 1, because n is equal to 1 पर a1 is given, तो a1 not represented by this an, तो means n is greater than 1 we have to take. greater than 1 का मीनिंग क्या हो गया बेटा? greater than 1 means natural number 2, तो n is equal to 2 we can take, and find first 5 terms like this, okay, and write the corresponding series. इसमें corresponding series भी लिखनी है, तो then n equal to 1 पुट किया, सारी फाइंड करनी, वो तो हमारे पास है ही, n is equal to 1 में तो a1 is equal to 3 given है, n equal to 2 इसमें पुट करेंगे, बिकॉज n greater than 1 ही पुट कर सकते हैं इसमें, तो n 2 पुट करेंगे, तो n 2 पुट किया, 3a n minus 1 means 2 minus 1, ठीक है, एंड प्लस 2, तो इसमें n is equal to 2 पुट कर दिया, देन सॉल्विंग 3 into a1 वैल्यू इज हेयर गिवन 3, तो 3 into 3 plus 2, 3 3 जा 9 plus 2 11, तो दिस इज योर सेकंड टर्म, फर्स्ट टर्म इज गिवन, देन थर्ड टर्म n is equal to 3 पुट किया, a3 is equal to 3 into, जब 3 पुट करेंगे यहाँ पर n, तो 3 minus 1, तो 3 minus 1 का मतलब कितना हो जाएगा 2, तो a2 बन गई, 3a2 plus 2, तो 3 into a2 is 11 plus 2, तो 11 3 जा 33 plus 2 35. Similarly, n is equal to 4, then 3a3 plus 2, then 3 into a3 35, and plus 2, 35 into 3 and plus 2 107. Okay, then n equal to 5 put किया, तो then a5 is equal to 3 into a4 plus 2, तो 3 into a4 आपका 107 plus 2, तो 107 into 3 plus 2 323. सॉल्व करिए, then these are the first 5 terms which with 3, 11, 35, 107, 323, and then ये तो फर्स्ट 5 टर्म हमने लिख दी, टर्म वाइज कोमा लगा कर, ये तो सीक्वेंस बन गई। अब इसमें सीरीज लिखो इसकी कोरस्पॉन्डिंग, तो कोरस्पॉन्डिंग सीरीज जो है वो प्लस लगा देंगे सभी में, तो क्या बन जाएगा 3 plus 11 plus 35 plus 107 plus 323, दिस इज योर सीरीज, डन। तो सिमिलरली क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, दिस आल्सो सेम क्वेश्चन, a1 here also given -1, an is equal to represented by an minus 1 divided by n, where n is greater than equal to 2, यानी 2 and greater than 2, यहाँ भी सेम थिंग है, यानी 1 नहीं लेना यहाँ पर n की वैल्यू, क्योंकि a1 is given, so a1 is given -1 and a2 we can find putting n equal to 2 here, तो a2 is equal to 2 पुट किया, a2 -1 अपॉन n is equal to 2, तो a2 -1 means a1 अपॉन 2, a1 की वैल्यू गिवन है -1, पुट दिस -1 here, a1 वैल्यू, then -1 upon 2, answer, this is your second term. थर्ड टर्म n is equal to 3 पुटिंग, तो 3 पुट करेंगे, 3 -1 2, a2 बन जाएगा अपॉन n is 3, तो a2 is -1 upon 2 and divided by 3, तो -1 upon 2 into 3 डिनोमिनेटर में, then -1 upon 6. सिमिलरली n is equal to 4 पुट किया, तो दिस a4 is equal to a3 upon 4, तो a3 -1 upon 6 divided by 4, then -1 upon 24. Similarly, n is equal to 5, put n is equal to 5 in this, so a5 is equal to a4 upon 5, a4 is -1 upon 24 and divided by 5, then now this is -1 upon 120. So same, so first 5 terms, what are -1, -1 upon 2, -1 upon 6, -1 upon 24 and -120, 1 upon 120. Okay, hence corresponding series क्या बनेगी, इनमें प्लस लगा देंगे सभी में, -1 plus -1 upon 2 plus -1 upon 6 plus -1 upon 24 plus -1 upon 120. So this is your corresponding series along with, about this corresponding to this sequence. Okay, तो sequence and the series में difference भी clear हो गया. Okay, So like this we can do easy question. Now you like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the maximum contact who have not subscribed. They have to subscribe first, okay, and then you will get everything on your device. You can get all exercise, all solution, NCERT book, last all questions, okay, and concept also every concept clearly explained in that video. You can understand chapter की जो growth है वो कैसे हुई है, how any concept, why, what, everything. यानी what is the concept, okay, why this concept and how this calculated, how this come, all things explained nicely you will get, okay, and forward the video to the your friends who are studying in +1, ओके, दिस वीडियो। तो +1 क्लास के लिए वीडियो भेजें किसी स्टूडेंट को, और जो भी स्टूडेंट को भेज रहे हैं उसको गाइड करो कि वो सब्सक्राइब द चैनल फर्स्ट, ओके, फर्स्ट सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड देन you will get everything, okay, and write the comment in comment box, guide to them same, okay, thank you.